Here's an easy way to get dents out of a ping pong ball, and here I have one that's got quite a few bad ones. Boil a pot of water, drop the ping pong ball in. I use a pair of metal tongs to help bring the ball under the water because it literally pops back out in just a few seconds. And use the tongs instead of your hand, unless you're Mr. Teflon Man and you can stick your hand in boiling water. I blew on it just because I saw steam coming off the ball, but actually it wasn't even hot. Let it dry though, because actually the whole plastic is still a little soft after being boiled, and once it cools down it should be ready to go. After shooting the first part of this video, I went back to look at the ball again, and it bounces fine. But I noticed now that it's dry and cool, it's all faded, and it used to be bright orange. Now I guess if you're removing the dents from a regular white ping pong ball, you're never going to notice. But with the brightly orange colored ones, this is what it looks like. It could be because the water in my home is really hard. I suppose I could actually go back and do this demonstration again or experiment again with bottled water or something like that. But at the end of the day, this is just a ping pong ball. It works.